Recently, I grabbed a few friends for a road trip to Mentone, Alabama, and to hike DeSoto Falls. This lovely road trip is just about an hour and a half from Huntsville, Alabama. Make sure you Google DeSoto Falls and not DeSoto State Park, as the Information Center is about 7 miles from the falls. The Information Center has lots of information about all the trails, activities, camping facilities, and more. We wanted to stop by Wildflower Cafe in Mentone, Alabama to pick up our picnic lunch. They make a famous tomato pie. My friend Bambi is an incredible cook, and she made us a peanut butter pie with a chocolate ganache. Take a look in the descriptions for the recipe. You can rent kayaks, canoes, you can even go tubing. This is my great group. We're gonna go check out the falls. Woo! In 2018, Brittany Hughes, DeSoto State Park naturalist, partnered with the Little River Arts Council to create this massive mosaic rise project, covering 43 risers and using 30 boxes of mosaic glass scraps. To find out more about this project and support local artists, visit littleriverartscouncil.org. We had enough time to add one more small falls trail to our day trip, Indian Falls. For more information on this trail or other hiking trails, check out my playlist, Hiking in Alabama.
Hi, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I have much more content on my website, travelwithwendy.net, and you can also support this channel by becoming a Patreon patron. The links are below. Remember, it's always an adventure when you travel with Wendy.